Okay, so little problem in paradise. My insurance company says I can't have any branches close to my building within 10 feet. And you can see this one right here, this tree right here. It's too close, so I could either go up and trim that branch or I could cut down that tree. And then also I'm going to get rid of this little spindly one right there. And then this one's borderline. I'm hoping that they don't make me take that one out. But over here on the corner, over here on this corner right here, I think I need to take that one out. And yeah, so yeah, today I'm gonna take this big one out right here because its branches are stretched across the garage. And then I'm gonna take that other one over there. And these are pretty big trees, so I gotta be extremely careful that I aim them away from my garage. And I think I'm gonna use the excavator as a little bit of a buffer. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll place the excavator kind of back here and put the bucket up against it. And yeah, that one's gonna go down, so that's a pretty big tree. Anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past.
There's a few different ways to do a notch in a tree. You want to direct the notch to the direction that you want the tree to go. You can do an open face notch, a conventional notch, or a Humboldt notch. And here's the three. Now the one I do is the one in the middle, the conventional notch. And I direct it the way I want to go, and it works pretty good. You really need to be paying attention. Right there, almost ran into my leg.
car, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple.